Hi students, class 9, exercise number 7.1, question number 7. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD whose sides are AB is 13 cm, BC is equal to 12 cm and CD is equal to 9 cm, AD is equal to 15 cm and diagonals BD is equal to 15 cm is given. By the given condition, we have taken ABCD is a quadrilateral 4-side enclosed figure. Then AB is 13, BC is equal to 12, and CD is equal to 9, and AD is equal to 14, and the diagonal BD is equal to 15 centimeter. Now we want to find out the area of this quadrilateral. See, first we want to find out what is the area of the triangle ABD and the area of the triangle BCD, and add the two triangles, we get the area of quadrilateral. Solution. In triangle ABD, here we don't know the height of this triangle. The triangle, here I roughly drawing here the ABD. This is the triangle of A, B and D. Here we have 15, here we have 13, here we have 14. We don't know the height of this triangle, so height is don't know by using the Heron's formula. By using the Heron's formula, we are going to find the area of this triangle. First we want to find out what is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. So S we want to find out. S is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter formula is A plus B plus C divided by 2. Here let me take it as this is A, this is B and this is C. Now 13 plus 15 plus 14 divided by 2. So 13 plus 15 is 28, 28 plus 14 is 42. So 42 divided by 2 is equal to 21 centimeter. Therefore S is equal to 21 centimeter. Now we know the area of the triangle. Area of triangle in Heron's formula, area of triangle, by using Heron's formula, we know the formula, that is root of S into S minus A, S minus B and then S minus C square units. Now apply the values of S and then A, B, C. Here A is equal to 13, B is equal to 15, C is equal to 14. Now this term is equal to root of, in the place of S is 21, 21 minus 13, 21 minus 15 and then 21 minus 14, ABC value. Now simplify this. Root of 21, 21 minus 13 is equal to 8 and then 21 minus 15 is equal to 6, 21 minus 14 is equal to 7. Now expand this given term, prime factorization with 3 into 7, 3 7s are 21, this one is 2 4s are 8, this one is 2 3s are 6 and here we have 7. Right? This term can be written in that form of root of 3 into 3, 3 square, 7 into 7, 7 square. Here we have 1 2, here we have 1 2, so 2 square into 4 is a perfect square number. We know that when you taking square root for 4, we get 2 is the result. Then cancelling the root and square, here we have 3, 7 and then 2. 4 is a perfect square number. If you take outside, we get 2. This term is equal to 3 7s are 21, 21 2s are 42, 42 2s are 84 centimeter square is the area of the triangle ABD. Right? Now we want to find out the another triangle BCD. Here roughly I have drawn here BCD. So BC is equal to 15, sorry, BC is equal to 12, CD is equal to 9 and then BD is equal to 15. By Heron's formula, here also we don't know the height. By Heron's formula, we want to find out what is the semi-perimeter of the triangle, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2 is equal to, there is A, B and then C. So 12 plus 9 plus 15 divided by 2 is equal to 12 plus 9, 21 plus 15 is 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18 centimeter. So semi-perimeter is equal to 18 centimeter. Area of triangle BCD is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square units. Now apply the value of S and A, B, C. Here A is equal to 12, B is equal to 9, C is equal to 15. This term is equal to root of 18 into 18 minus 12, and then 18 minus 9, and then 18 minus 15. Root of, simplify this, we get 6, 9, 18 minus 15 is 3. Now this can be expanded form by using expanded form. 9 2s are 18, 2 3s are 6. Here already we have 9, so I take it 9 itself, and then 3. 2 9s are 18, and then 2 3s are 6. Here already we have 9 and 3, so we keep it as it is. Now finding the square root of this. 9 into 9 is 9 square, 2 into 2 is 2 square, 3 into 3 is 3 square. This is the easiest way to find out the square root. Now root and square will be cancelled. 9 into 2 into 3. Root and the square will be cancelled. So all in the multiplication product form, right? So we can cancel it. So 9 2s are 18. 18 3s are 54 centimeter square is the area of the triangle BCD. Now we want to find the quadrilateral ABCD. So we want to find the area of the quadrilateral, means we have to add the term ABD. So and then BCD. These two triangles we want to add the area. So the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of the triangle ABD is equal to 84 plus area of the triangle BCD is equal to 54. Sum of this term is equal to 4 plus 4 8. 138 centimeter square is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Thank you, students.